have a very interesting looking vintage accordion. It is a Masterphonic accordion. It's made in Italy. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons, with 2 reeds in the treble and 3 switches on the treble side. This is what the 3 switches sound like. That is the bassoon. Master switch, it's actually quite a powerful sound. And that is the clarinet sound. We have 2 switches on the treble. This is a very interesting looking vintage accordion. It has red marbleized keys here. It has a red grill. It has the diamond design in the bellows. Red buttons. There's a lot of red here. It's almost like a candy apple red with black marbleized through it. It's an interesting looking instrument. It's lightweight, compact. I'll play something so you can hear it.